No mai hoki mai ki te wānanga, Kapa Haka, Kapa Haka. This is session number 3 for us. Fantastic way to start the week. Yeah, a little bit of Kapa Haka. Do you remember? First thing, we got to take off our shoes. So flick your flip-flops off, take off your shoes. Again, I don't mind if you Kapa Haka in bare feet, if you're standing on a chilly surface. Might be pretty cold down in Whatoroa, eh, Angus? Let us know how cold it is down there, my friend. Ka pai. Ki raro, hope. So, once we've taken our shoes off, we're ready to go. It's time for karakia. This is kia hora te marino. I'll say it, you say it after me, and then we will repeat the karakia together. Here we go. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi i mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Kia ora. Beautiful karakia. Let's do it one more time, but this time, let's do it together. Are you ready? Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi i mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Ka pai whanau. Let me translate that karakia for you so we can all understand it. Even our brothers and sisters can listen to the message. Here we go. Peace be everywhere. Let the oceans for your journey be calm, glistening like greenstone. And the shimmering light across the water will guide your journey. Ooh, it's good to be alive. When the karakia says the shimmering light across the water will guide your journey, what the karakia is inviting us to do is to make good choices and good decisions. Choices and decisions that keep our families and our friends safe and that are right by our whanau. Ka pai? Kia ora. Well, tamariki ma, it's time to warm up. I've skipped past Haka ma this morning and we've gone straight to paki paki. Are you ready? Toru wha. Paki 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 tamariki ma. Paki 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 tamariki ma. E oma. E oma. E oma. Tamariki ma. E oma. E oma. E oma. Tamariki ma. Kani kani. Kani 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 kani. Tamariki ma. Kani kani. Kani 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 kani. Tamariki ma. E peke. E peke. E peke. Tamariki ma. E peke. E peke. E peke. Tamariki ma. E moi. E moi. E moi. Tamariki ma. Hairiki te moi. E moi. E moi. Tamariki ma. Kia ora. E oho. Kua mahana koe, are you warmed up? Ka pai. Get a lot of good feedback about mahunga pakahiwi puku hupe waiwai. And I know last week's one was pretty difficult, so let's see if we can't match it, eh? Toru wha. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Taringa whatu I huahae. Ka pai. Did you enjoy that, Ivy? Kia ora. Alright. So, today, let's do this. Let's take out every second word. So, no pakahiwi, no hope, no taringa, no ihu. No pakahiwi, no hope, no taringa, no ihu. Are you ready? toru, fa. Mahunga, puku, wai wai, mahunga, puku, wai wai, mahunga, puku, wai wai, fatu, wahae. Kapa e tamariki ma. Kia ora. What's next on our list? Tahi, rua, toru, fa, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, te kou. Kia ora. Let's hit those numbers again. You know the waiata. Toru, fa. Tahiru wa toru fa, rima ono fitu waru iwa te kou. Iwa te kou. Tahiru wa toru fa, rima ono fitu waru iwa te kou. Iwa te kou. Tahiru wa toru fa, rima ono fitu waru iwa te kou. Iwa te kou. Tahiru wa toru fa, rima ono fitu waru iwa te kou. E rau e tamariki ma. Pai tō koutou waiata. Beautiful singing. Kia ora. Let's have a look at the next one. Oh, tūtira mai ngā iwi. Do we remember our original actions? Kapai? We start on this side, and then we tap, across, tap, across. Then let's go to the other side, yeah? And then tap, across, tap, across. Then we go up, side to side. Kia ora, hand to the heart. Me te aroha. E ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahi rā, and then tātou, tātou e to finish. Ka pai. Are you ready? Let's go. Tūtira mai, lots of energy, toru wha. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Tūtira. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Whaia te maramatanga, me te aroha, e ngā iwi, kia kotapatahi, kia kotahira, tātou, tātou e hano. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Whaia te maramatanga, me te aroha, e ngā iwi, kia kotapatahi, kia kotahira, tātou, tātou e tātou, 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 pūriti aki a mau, he au e hi. Ah, mauri o te whanau. Did you enjoy tūtira mai ngā iwi this morning? Ah, that's wonderful. It's hard not to enjoy such a beautiful song with great energy. Kia ora whanau. Thanks for joining in on that one. Let's have a look at our next waiata. Oh, let's go straight to pūrerehua this morning. Kapa, because we're going to use pūrerehua when we get to the poi. Kapa. So here we are. Hand out. Hand on top. Butterfly goes up. We got 2 taps. Butterfly comes down. There we go. 2 hands up. With lots of drama. Double tap. And then butterfly down again. Kapai. Here we go. Pūrerehua toru wha. Pūrerehua rereru ngā hau. Papaki parirau rereru ngā hau. Ka piki runga raua e. Papaki parirau rereru ngā hau. Ka piki runga raua e. Papaki parirau rereru ngā hau. Ka pai. Did you pūrerehua all of the actions? Have you learned the actions now so that I can play the guitar? Alright, let's do it. Woo! toru, fa. Urere ua, rere runga ho. Papaki pariro, rere runga ho. Ka piki ungara wae. Papaki pariro, rere runga ho. Ka piki ungara wae. Papaki pariro, rere runga ho. Mauri ora tamariki mā, ka pai tō mahi. Beautiful. Ah, karanga mai. Here we go. Kiraro, hope. Kiraro, hope. After me. Karanga mai. Karanga mai. Piwai waka e. Good. Tuki mai. Tuki mai. Piwai waka e. Lovely. He manu. Kori. He manu. Fio. Piwai waka e. Are you ready? Karanga mai. Tarufa. Karanga mai. Piwai waka e. Tuki mai. Piwai waka e. He manu. Kori. He manu. Fio. Piwai waka e. Ka pai tamariki mā. So, I love that song, but I love it even more when it goes super fast. Okay, just let loose, have a lot of fun. If you can't remember the words, don't even worry about it. I'll sing it. I just want you to keep up with these crazy actions. Are you ready? Here we go. Kiraro, hope, toru, fa, karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu, kori, he manu, fio, piwai waka e. Kia ora. Ka pai, I love that song. Ah, Tihei Mauri Ora. What a beautiful song Tihei Mauri Ora is. Tihei Mauri Ora is our welcoming song, so when we sing it with our welcoming face, yeah?
Oh. Lots of loves.
Here we go. I'm just going to sing Tihei Mauri Ora once through, and then we'll break it down with the actions, and then we'll sing it together, okay? Here we go, Tihei Mauri Ora. Tihei Mauri Ora, Tihei Mauri Ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, ngā iwi kia orara. Tihei Mauri Ora, Tihei Mauri Ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Ahu aue, tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, ngā iwi kia ora. Tahiru a torupa, hi aue hi. Did you remember that one from last week? Were you able to keep up with some of the words? Ah, great. Let's do the actions then, eh? Alright. Tihei Mauri Ora, Tihei Mauri Ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia, tuake mana kitia. Ngā iwi, kia ora. Great. Let's do it, whanau. Tihe mauri ora, the words and the actions together, same time as me. Toru wha. Tihe mauri ora, tihe mauri ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake, tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, ngā iwi kia ora, tahiru a toru wha, hea wehi. I can feel that wairua coming through the live stream, eh? That pukana at the end, that auehi nice and strong, that beautiful welcoming singing. Ka pai whanau. Let's move on to our haka so that we can spend the rest of our time today doing poi, which is why we showed up today, isn't it? Yeah, of course it is. So here we go, haka time. Yeah? Stop. Haka time. All right. 2 haka today. The first haka is the haka where I go first and you follow me. I go first, you follow me, okay? The second haka, we're just gonna haka together, all right? And I'm hoping that Jaden might join me for the haka today. He's feeling a little bit shy this morning, but that's all right. He'll warm up to it. So, here we go, kiraro. Hope. Still smiling. Kiraro. Kita haka! Come on! After me, yeah? Titaha! Titaha! Heta! Heta! Kamaya! Kamaya! Heta! Heta! Kamaya! Kamaya! Heka no Ruia mai Irangi atea Hey Titaha Titaha Uhia, uhia, tekaha, tekaha. Uhia, uhia, tekaha, tekaha. Katu, rangatira. Papa! Away!
No, it's Jaja.
Kapa! Good work, good work. Take a deep breath in. Haki roto. Haki waho. Haki roto. Haki waho. Alright. Are you ready for haka? Yes. Kapa. Do you remember our 3 haka rules? Say them with me. Strong face, strong voice, strong actions. Kia ora. When we follow those 3 haka rules, it keeps our haka safe. Ka pai? Strong face, strong voice, and strong actions. Here we go, team. Hetoa, hetoa. Let's do the whole haka. You and me going together. Ka pai. If you forget some of the words, it's alright. I've got the words, but I want you to follow all of my actions. Ka pai. If you can do some words, that's great. But stay with me on the actions. Stay fierce. Stay strong. Stay proud. Here we are. Get up. Get the haka. Come on. Taranatita! titaha, titaha, heto, 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 kamaya, kamaya, heto, heto, kamaya, kamaya, hekakano, ruiamai, irangiate, hui, papakititaha, titaha, titaha, uhia, 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 tekaha, tekaha, uhia, uhia, tekaha, tekaha, katu, rangatira, mopopo, awehi. Get on up. Oh, mauri ora. Whanau. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Wipe off the sweat. Kapa. Have a drink of wai Māori. Fresh water. Have some wai Māori. And then let's get into our poi. Kapa.
Leave it.
Oh, it's pretty sweaty in that Haka, to be honest. It's quite hot here. Stokes Valley, eh? It's where the heat is. Whew. Let's go. So, kia ora Rafi, Petone Rugby, Darren's online, kia ora my man, Maya, Ivy, Fraser Crescent, and Duda and Tiger, you guys are online too. So, here we go. I've got 3 poi here. These are the poi, these 2. This is the one we made over the weekend. This is the one that was posted, kapai. This one here is the one that I made in under 2 minutes right before we went live, kapai. This is a rugby sock with a pair of socks stuffed in it and then a hair tie to hold it in place, kapai. Awesome. And this here, this is one of my poi, kapai. So have a look at the poi real quick. The poi is broken up into some separate parts, kapai. At the top there we have the upoko, or the mahunga. And that's the head of the poi, kapai. Then we have the binding, just at the base of the poi, that's the kaki. Then we have the tinana of the poi, that's the body of the poi. And then right at the bottom, this fluffy bit here, this is called a fiore. And for those of you that have poi with a fiore, the fiore is not the handle. Kapai, we don't grab the fiore. We let the fiore hang out the bottom so that it dances around while you're doing the poi. Kapai? So here we go. Kiraro. Hope. Poi karite. This is where we get our poi ready. And I want you to do a couple of things in this position. Number one, I want to make sure that you're holding the tinana of your poi with the hand that you write with. So if you're right-handed, yeah, I want you to hold the poi in your right hand. If you're left-handed, then you hold the poi in your left. Kapai? Easy as pie. Here we go. Ooh, maybe you've got a poi like this, which is really, really long. Matua Whaitiri, this is too long. Absolutely. So what you can do with a really long one is wrap it up until you're about shoulder width. If you're less than shoulder width, that's okay. But ideally we don't want to be wider than shoulder width. Kapai? You got your poi ready, Art? Good man. So, here we go. Let's hold our general spin. Kapai? All I'm doing is just spinning my poi. Now the force that generates the rotations of the poi is actually generated through the wrist and the fingers. It's not a forearm grind, kapai, and it's not a whole arm Elvis grind, kapai. It's just a simple rotation through the wrist and also through the fingers, kapai. Beautiful. Is there a right or wrong way to swing the single poi? For us today, there is, okay? I want you right-handed poi swingers, yeah? I want the right-handed poi swingers to swing clockwise. And if you're left-handed, I want you to go anti-clockwise. Kapai? So right hand, you're going clockwise. left hand, you're going anti-clockwise. And the reason for that is when we go to catch our poi, if I'm spinning the wrong way, then I'm going to land on the back of my hand, as opposed to landing into the palm. Ka pai? Here we go, team! E rere taku poi! Ki runga, ki raro, ki roto, ki waho, ki ora. Waiata mai. E rere taku poi, ki runga, ki runga. E rere taku poi, ki raro. Kia ora moko puna, ki raro. E rere runga, e rere raro, e rere roto, e rere waho. Erere taku poi, ki runga, ki raro, ki roto, ki waho e. Mauri ora. How is your spinning? A little bit tricky for some of us, isn't it? But that's okay. It's only day one for many of us out there that are doing poi. So just remember, holding the poi in the hand that you write with, spinning the same way the clock goes if you're a right hand, yeah? And then we just take those spins up, down, right and left, semicircle, full circle, circle the other way but without changing the direction of the poi. Kia ora. Beautiful. Now here's what I want you to do. Hold your poi in rotation and then just let it stop on its own. Oh, kia ora. Do you see where it stopped? It stopped now pointing at the ground. Mother Nature has asked the poi to stop in this position. Who are we to argue with Mother Nature? So let's take our free hand now and bring it in from the side and grab the upoko of the poi. Ka pai? This is our catching position. Gravity has already asked the poi to stop in this position. So let's support gravity by bringing our hand in from the side into that grab. Ka pai? Now, if you've got a really small hand and a really big poi, you can aim to catch the string. All right? Here we go. Hold your general spin, and then on the count of 3, let's try our first catch of the day. Tahi, rua, toru. Ah, ka pai. Did you see I caught the string that time? Next one, I'm going to try and catch the upoko. Huri huri te poi. Toru, rua, tahi, kia mau. Mauri ora. Let's try the kaunga mau. 10 catches. You ready? Let's give it a go. Kei te poi. Tore, wha. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, te kau. Ka pai. Should we sing that with the catching? And we'll go maybe slow, fast, medium, and then super fast. Okay, let's do that. Toru, wha. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, te kau. Iwa, te kau. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, te kau. Iwa, te kau. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, te kau. Iwa, te kau. Slow! Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, te kau. Iwa, te kau. Kia ora. I hope the Sawyers are out there. Regan might be out there doing his poi. We've got Megan from Greymouth joining us for poi, and Arabella from Kelson joining us as well. Nakuru Pō whanau up in the bay. Kia ora koutou. No mai hoki mai ki te Kapa Haka. Te mahi poi. So here's what we've got so far. We've got some spinning and some catching. Let's put some spinning and some catching together. Ka pai? Say it after me. 4 catch, rainbow spin. 4 catch, rainbow spin. Here we go. Toru, fa. Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Did you get your 4 catch rainbow spin? Would you like to try it now with some singing? Of course you do. That's why we showed up, right? Purere hua toru fa. Purere hua rere runga ho. Papa ki pari ro rere runga ho. Ka piki runga ra wae. Papa ki pari ro rere runga ho. Ka piki runga ra wae. Papa ki pari ro rere runga ho. Raue. Ka poe. So we've done spinning, we've done catching, and we've done our first combination for the day. That's great work, team. Let's move on now to one more move. Yeah? Can we try one more just for today? This is probably a tricky one for a lot of us, but it's all right. Ko te rātua tahi mo te poi tēnei. It's only day 1 for our poi today. Ka poi? Here we are. I want you to hold the poi in the hand that you write with and place it on the shoulder of the hand that's holding it. So if you're holding right hand, take it on to the right shoulder. Ka poi? And if you want to add a sassy hip, that's fine as well, but it's not necessary. Okay. Take your free hand out in front and then draw it towards the chest, but not touching. There it is there. Lay this poi now on top of the hand. Ka pai. And then if I pull on this poi, it's going to want to shoot towards my face. And that's where I'm going to turn my hand over and catch. This is called the boom boom catch. And it goes like this. Shoulder, hand, and catch. Oh, it's a tricky one. Let me get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. So we go. Shoulder, hand, catch. Oh. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Kia kaha moko puna. I know it's difficult, but give it a go. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. When some of my tauira are learning this move for the first time, they might find it easier to catch the poi against their body. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Great. How's your shoulder, hand, catch coming along? Put your hand up if you're finding it just a little bit tricky. Kei te pai whanau. Kia kaha tonu. Keep going. Here we are. 4 catch, rainbow spin. 4 catch, rainbow spin. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Ka pai? Let's do it. Toru, fa. Purere hua rere runga ho. Papa ki pari ro rere runga ho. Ka piki runga ra wae. Papa ki pari ro rere runga ho. Ka piki runga ra wae. Papa ki pari ro rere runga ho. How was it? Was it good? Nice. You know what? There's a requirement to poi. Yeah? You gotta have some fun along the way. Tamariki ma, no stress. Okay? Please don't stress on the moves. Alright? If you're finding it a little bit tricky, you know what you do? You just make up your own moves. Yeah? If you want to floss with the poi, you floss with the poi. Ka pai? But when we're singing, keep that poi moving. If you can keep up, that's beautiful. Or just a quick update, we've got the Funaki whanau, we've got the Va'a whanau. Bronwyn and Ryan are doing poi down in Christchurch. That's certainly not tamariki. And waiata Montessori in Nainai. Kia ora koutou. So, back to it. Poi, shoulder, hand, catch. That's a single. Yeah? 2 singles goes like this. Shoulder, hand, catch. That's 1 single. Shoulder, hand, catch. That's 2 singles. Then we're going to try a triple up. Yeah, I said it. Triple up. This is where we go 1 shoulder, 2 shoulders, 3 shoulders, and catch. 1 shoulder, 2 shoulders, 3 shoulders, and catch. That's the triple up. Can I show you 2 singles with the triple up? Okay. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, 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 catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, 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 catch. Oh man, it's 11:40. My producer in the background, aka my wife, has just held up the whiteboard that says 11:40. Matua whaitiri, you're going over time. Kei te pai. Here we go. Let's add our last combination. 4 catch, rainbow spin, 4 catch, rainbow spin, 4 catch, rainbow spin. 2 singles and a triple up, 2 singles and a triple up, back to the 4 catch, rainbow spin, 4 catch, rainbow spin. Are you ready? Here we go. Toru, fa. You gotta smile. Papaki parido de runga ho. Ka piki runga rawaes. Papaki parido de runga ho. Ka tau runga pua triple up. Ka whanau hua a purere singles. Ka tahi ka rua ka single ka wha triple up. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e wha. Back to the start. Purere hua re runga ho. Papaki pariro re runga ho. Ka piki runga rawae. Papaki pariro re runga ho. Kia ora. Whanau ma, thank you so much. Quick shout out Chester and also Mia from Belmont. Kia ora kōrua. And I know I said it at the start. If you missed it, I asked that if anyone was having a birthday today, please type it in the comments and I would give you a shout out. So 2 birthdays got commented on. Beck Williams, happy birthday. Rā whanau kia koe. Also, Toby and Zara's dad, kia ora. And happy birthday to you too, my friend. Ka pai. Thank you so much for joining in Kapa Haka today. It was awesome to start the poi. Tomorrow we will be poi again.